If the daughter goes through a divorce, the inheritance monies being quarantined in the testamentary trust gives her better asset protection than if it was in her own name. So, and if she had a bankruptcy, then the money is protected from the trustee in bankruptcy. So there are a lot of protective things that are beneficial to your adult children. They also can have control of the money, and a trust allows you to distribute the income to themselves or the children or even grandchildren of theirs. And the beauty of the testamentary trust is that it has tax concessional treatment when it's distributed to beneficiaries in the trust, particularly to children or to adults who are not earning a lot of money. So children who are infants, i.e. under 18, and children who are at uni and not earning a lot of money can receive distributions from the trust. And if they're earning under $37,000 per year, this is in 2018, then they will have the first $20,542 tax-free every year. This means that in this example, your daughter could distribute money for the benefit of those children for their school fees, uniforms, any maintenance item for those children, and it's essentially a tax deduction. Now, there is no entity that we have in Australia outside of a testamentary trust in the will that can match that. So a testamentary trust is a wonderful vehicle, and it is great for protection for your beneficiaries and for tax concessions that they could avail themselves of. So I want you and encourage you to seriously consider putting testamentary trusts in your will. And this leads us to our next insight, which is that your estate plan should not only be comprehensive, that is, cover all the pots of money, and if you haven't seen Insight 1, then I encourage you to view Insight number 1 on that point, but it should also be clever and take advantage of the one-off tax opportunities that the Australian government have given us, but we just don't often know about, and also to provide the best protection for the inheritance for our loved ones.